Hello and welcome back. So guys, in this class I just want to teach you some more elements of this WordPress. I just want to show you about the plugins, what are the plugins and how the plugins can benefit you and yourself. Basically this is you can see that this is not just a plugin, it symbolizes the hope and etc. You just don't need to use these plugins. You can just deactivate or delete that plugin. Well, it's not activated by default, and that one is the Akismet plugin. Basically what it does, it just protect, you can see that the best way to protect in the world to protect your blog from spam. Basically it just protects us from the spam messages or spam comments. It keeps your site protected even while you sleep. To get started, click on activate, and then you have to sign up for the Kismet plan. If you just want, you can do that. By the way, what is a plugin? Basically WordPress, based on the lightweight policy, it has very lightweight, I think around 20 MB or something. So what do you need? You just need to install the WordPress, select the theme, and just start working. But sometimes you need some extra things. You just want to add some extra features to the WordPress. They called the plugin. Okay, so if you just want to add some extra features, exactly, they will get some extra space. The extra plugins, the extra things are called the plugins here. So for example, if I have no plugin activated yet and these plugins are not working for me, and I'm just deleting the Hello Dolly, which is really not necessary, and they're just telling that yes, delete these files and no return me. I just want to delete these files. I deleted that, and now you can see that add new. Just click on add new. So now I just need to add a new plugin, as I said, but you can see that the selected plugin has been deleted because I just deleted a plugin. Close that one, which is not necessary, and click on the add new, and now I can add any plugin if I just want. The Akismet is on the top, and the second one is the bbPress, is a forum software made the WordPress way. If you just want to install the bbPress, which is a forum, if you just want to make a forum there, so you can use the bbPress, the Jetpack by WordPress.com, and the BuddyPress etc theme check. There are different kind of plugins with the different elements. If I just go to the popular, I just want to show you the simple one. You can see that the WooCommerce, the Hello Dolly, the really simple CAPTCHA, Yoast, the wait, I'm just gonna go to the top. Yeah, the TinyMC Advanced enables the advanced features of the TinyMP, the WordPress WYSIWYG editor. What is this, the TinyMC Advanced? So first of all, I'm just going to the add new post, and I just want to show you why I'm just going to install this, because it's pretty awesome and really important for us. I'm just going there. Really important if we just want. By the way, I just clicked on add new post. Now you can see we just can bold our text, the italicize, the strike through, and few elements. Do you want to see a lot more? So go back to the add plugin and just click on install now the TinyMC Advanced. Now downloading install package and packing the package. Installing successfully installed the plugin TinyMC Advanced 4.2.8, but it's not activated yet. You can click on the activate from there, or you can go to the installed plugin where you will get the activate link again. Okay, now refresh, and it's still in the same style. Just wait for a while, and now you can see that it is still in the same style. Come on, let me on. Yeah, but now if I just click on activate the TinyMC Advanced, so it's about to activating, and the plugin activated. Now refresh this page. It's about to load, and it's refreshing, and then it's showing me the new one. Now you can see that this one has some new features, and now the file, the edit, the insert, a lot of new features like the insert, read more tag, page break, the table, the tools. Now you can create the tables too. You know about the tables. You can create the tables by this link. This was not in the previous one. This thing has done by a plugin. So I think you understood about the plugin, that how the plugin can give us the benefits. I'm going back to the add new plugin, and do you know something about the SEO? I just want to show you. I'm going to the popular once again. Okay, and they're just showing us the popular plugin. Come on, let me know. There, the regenerate thumbnails, the Google XML, Google Analytics, the next gen gallery, the word fence, all-in-one SEO pack. So let's just click on the install now. What is this? If you just know about the SEO, so basically by using the SEO plugins, we can make our website's SEO more best. You can click on the activate plugin. Okay, now I just clicked on activate plugin, and now what it will do, it's free at all. Now welcome to the version and etc. Exactly, this is the new version of this all-in-one SEO. By the way, I just activated that one too. Now refresh that one, you will see some new things there. When I just click on the refresh, and come on, let me show all these new things. Yes, now you can see that there is the enter the title, put the text, and then you can see that the title, the description, the keyword, the robot, etc. All these things are basically the meta tags. So you can put the data here for the search engine. Basically the SEO and the all-in-one SEO pack helps us to make our blog more readable for the search engines. Now there is a preview, you can see that if I just put the new title, for example, learn something new. Oh, it's going more. By the way, it should not go more than 60 characters. Now you can see that they learn something new, etc. In this way, they are just showing that in this way it will be visible in a Google or in any kind of search engine. By the way, the description, you can put the description here with the maximum of 160. It will go for the meta description too, the keywords if you just want to put that, and if you just want to make the canonical custom URL, you can do that too. So the robot meta no index, if you just don't want to index your website in the search engine, so let's just tick on there. So in this way, I think you just understood all these things about the SEO, basically about the plugins. I think you just got that. I'm just going to the plugins back because I just don't want to create any new post here. I just want to show you that how these plugins works. Now there is an option to deactivate the plugins or edit the plugins. I just don't want to teach about the edit the plugins because this thing just goes to the plugins editor chapter, and basically this depends on the plugin's strength and etc. By the way, we just can deactivate the plugin. We just can deactivate this plugin too. If I just make this plugin deactivate, so it's deactivated now and it won't be in work for now again. So now if I just click on this activate again, it's activated. So I think you just know about the plugins a lot more. We'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.